Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be walking you through on depression, problems on depression, which is going to be case 2. Permit me to write it case 2. Now, because we are moving on to second video, I've done the definition of depression and elevation, and I've explained elevation, with the problems in the first video. On this video, I'll be working on depression and elevation. Now, back to my analysis then, I mentioned something like this, and I mentioned something like this. Now, this angle, normally, we always use it, Now, this is what? This is theta. Now, this angle, we call it depression angle. Depression angle. Now, with the help of an alternate angle, you will know that this is equals to this, which is going to be what? Alternate. And this is equals to what? This. Now, can you see that is what we are working on? Depression is we are looking down. I think I've explained that earlier. When you are looking down, it means when you observe from the top down, it means what? Depression angle is taking place. Now, elevation is when you are looking up, That is what I can explain for now. Now, I just want you to see some problems that, that may cause problem. You may not understand. That is why I have to write out some problem. I'm going to write out some question, if possible, 2 or 3. And let's see how we're going to figure them out. Okay, let's look at these 2 questions. Please, you can write the question now because of the light. A boat can be, sighted. That is what is missing there. Please, you can pause and write. Now, I have this problem here, first one and the second one, and I need to solve it, for everybody to understand. Now, let me start from the first one, solution to this problem. Now, the question says that, this marker has finished. Okay, this one is still there. Now, the question says that from the top of a building, 10-meter high, the angle of depression, it means the top of the building, This is going to be the building. This is going to be the building. This is going to be the building. Now, and your 10-meter high. Now, this is going to be the top. This is going to be top, and this is going to be the foot. Now, okay, that's first thing. And the angle of depression of a stone laying on the horizontal. This is called horizontal. Please, at this junction, you have to understand what is called horizontal and vertical. The application is very important. Mind you, this is going to be vertical, and this is going to be what? Horizontal. Please take note of those 2 things. They are very, very important, and so that they can use it for a work problem. Horizontal, on the ground. It means it's on the ground. Now, horizontal on the ground. Okay, that is on the ground. Okay, on the ground is 69 degree. This is going to be 69 degree. Mind you, here will be what? 69 degree. And here also will be what? 69. Now, alternate angle, that's what or we call it Z angle. This line is parallel to this line. Now, that is 69 degree. Now, calculate the correct 1 decimal place. The distance of the stone from the foot of the what? Of the building. This is going to be the distance. This is going to be the stone. Now, can you see? That is very, very simple. And I'm looking for the distance. It means I will go on tan 69. It will be equals to 10 all over x. Can I cross multiply? Yes. I'll be having x time 69 equals to what? 10. Now it means my S equals to 10 all over what? Tan 69. My calculator. Okay. If I press calculator, I'll be having my X will be equals to 8.86 meter. Now it means my S can be approximately equals to 3.8, because one decimal place, 3.8 meter. 3.8 meter, it means my answer is what? Is B. Is B. Now that is settled. Now look at this one. A boat can be sighted at the sea, which is 71.5 meter from the foot of a cliff, which is 26 meter high. Calculate the angle of the what? Depression of the what? Of the boat from the what? Now, what you just need to do is that we are talking about depression here, and what you just need to do, we are given the I. Now, this is going to be the what? That is the first thing we do, and we are being told that it's 26 meter, which is going to be seat. Now, this is going to be the foot of the cliff. Now, this is going to be the top of the what? Of the. Now, those things are very important, and this is going to be the angle of the depression will come like this. And mind you, it will go like this, and this is going to be the angle is given. No angle is given to us. I don't know it, but you are given height, and you are given the what, and we were told that a boat can be sighted at the sea from the. It means from the foot. Sorry. Now it means I'll be having 71.5 meter. Now, for me to have this, I think the problem is partially solved. I can now say that what tan theta equals to 26 divides 71.5. Now, this junction, I think I'll be having with my calculator is 0.363. Now, I can say that my tan theta equals to that. My theta will be tan inverse of what we're having here. Now, my answer, my theta will be equals to 19.898. Now, it means theta can be approximately equals to 20 degrees. Now, it means the theta, which is equals to 20 degrees, approximately equals to 20 degrees. Now, can you see that? Okay, I have one question here before we end this section, and it's very, very good. It will be very, very good for you to see it. Now, permit me to rub it. Okay, look at this question. It's a very nice question, and let's see how we can handle it. Now, the question says, an angle of depression of a boat from the middle point of a vertical cliff is 35 degrees. If the boat is 120 meter from the, okay, now I think it's good to handle the question the way it comes. Let's talk about this. Is going to be let's talk about the fruits. This is going to be the fruits of, okay, this is going to be the top of the what? Of the cliff. Now, that is first thing, and we are talking about the middle as assumption. Sorry, this should be a middle, and middle points. Okay, and we're told that angle of depression, this should be the angle of depression, which is going to be 35 degrees. And this is going to be the bolts. And this is going to be the distance. And here will be 120 degrees. and you are to calculate the height of the. Now what you just need to do is that you know that this angle and this angle, this line are corresponding. It means here also be 35 degrees. Now since is that, I can now say that here will be x1, here will be x2, and don't forget that this is the middle, you know, it means middle point, you know, where the line is being cut off into two, because we need to apply that to get our problem. So now the first thing I will do is that tan 35 degrees equals to x1 all over 120, and my x will be equals to x1 will be equals to 120 multiplies tan. Now that is what we are going to get there. Now if I should have that, it will be my x1 will be equals to 84.02 meter. That is first thing I will get. Now I know that it means the height, which is the height of the, sorry, I'm talking about the height of the cliff. Now it means from here to here, that is the height. I'm talking about height, which is to be what, x1 plus x2. Now note that what, x1 equals to x2. Since is that, it means I'll be having my height will be equals to 84.02 plus 84.02. Now, which I will be having, if I should add the number together, it will be 160, 164.04 meter. Is meter, right? Yes, it's meter. That is the height. It means from here to here is that's 164.04 meter. Now I will be stopping here because of our time. In the next video, I will show you another cases. You know, don't forget to share this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.